Hey guys, and welcome back to Beach Home Simulator. I'm not feeling very good right now, so this might be a little bit of a... This is why I don't sound very good. And I'll try the best I can. Smash that subscribe button and leave a like down below. If you have any comments, please feel free to comment. And yeah, let's get on to with today's video. So today we're going to try and get a new hive slot today, and we're probably going to complete a few quests. And it's going to be really fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. My pollen fetcher 4's ready. Let's go turn that in. With my glider. Nice job, you're doing great. To help out, here's the royal jelly. 8 more quests and I'll give you my diamond egg. The whole area behind the 15 gate is too intense for me. Mantises, scorpions, wolves, it's all straight out of a horror movie. You seem to make yourself home up there though. Why don't you collect 180,000 pollen from the cactus field and pine tree forest? Very well. Let's see if we have any badges. Ooh, we almost have enough for pineapple. Now let's go. Let's glide on over. I feel like this is going to be really good. Just a spoiler, I hope that this will happen. I think XStarsFX is going to help me in my YouTube channel, so hopefully that works. As you can tell, I'm not very popular right now, so it's not very good. I'm going to keep collecting here and try complete bouncing around biomes in 7 to 7. Hopefully. We're just going to keep collecting here. And yeah, so it's going to be really fun. And by the way, guys, use code ROOF if you're part of the group. Please use code Festive Frogs and Club Bean. Okay? Yeah, and so we're just going to keep collecting here, and hopefully we're going to be able to do it. Going to be able to turn this baby in. We're almost done with the cactus field. Let's keep going. See, the cactus field is complete, and now we're going to move over to the pine tree. Ooh, no, mantis is no problem. No problem. You miss me. You miss me, you miss me, you miss me, you miss me. Hey, you miss me, guys? Yeah. Yeah, you miss me? Oh, shit, it got me. And it got me again. Oh, well. Yeah, I guess they really did miss me, guys. I'm relatively new to YouTube, and it's kind of been hard. Please smash that subscribe button because the support really helps. Oh, look, Blackbird's quest is done. Let's go turn that in. Let's go turn that in. Glide on down. Talk to him again. Let's see. 2 blue pollen, pineapple patch. That's pretty good. And let's see. Oh, I have royal jellies. Let me use that on, let's see, stop and be right here. See what we get. Got a look at B at the end, sadly. You know, treats. Okay, so yeah, I don't feel so good. Once we get 3 mil honey, I'll get my new hive slot. Okay, actually, we're probably going to end this video in a little, but for now, I think I'm just going to try my hardest and to get better. And we're going to probably end this video right now. So I hope you guys are not feeling bad like I am. And if you ever want to make your own YouTube channel, feel free to. It's like a really good way to earn money, to like do the things you love and share them. So if you don't want to try, go ahead. Bye.